가려면 저희가 PCR 테스트나 래피드 엔티젠 테스트를 이제 파지티브 파지티브?
We want negative.
네거티브. 우리가 음성이 나와야지 영국으로 가는 것이 이제 가능해지거든요. 그래서 저희는 지금 여기 약국에 와서 래피드 엔티젠 테스트를 하려고 합니다. 부디 모두 음성이 나와서 같이 갈 수 있도록 기도해봅니다. 알았어. 래피드 엔티젠 코비드 테스트를 하고 파지티브 말고 네거티브를 받으면
파지티브 아니고
파지티브 아니고 네거티브 받으면 영국으로 갈 수 있습니다. 그러면은 테스트 받으러 가자.
BYY. 우.
오.
As I'm sitting in the car in the rain, contemplating on my pain.
That is so weird. You can cry. Yeah.
You just got the negative.
Yeah. I can go back. Yang Ganjong. Printing Vincent. Negative. Oh, thank God.
Pretending everything is just okay. But when I'm sitting here standing in the rain, but you're not.
Annyeong! What's up, everybody? It's our last hour in France. We've been driving for 8 months. Today, going back to the UK.
We're heading to the Eurotunnel. Wow, so cloudy. I feel like we are in the UK already.
Annyeong. Huh? Annyeong. Au revoir. Have a good day. Enjoy that grass. Enjoy that
안녕.
grass.
You're not flex.
Right.
We'll check in to the people sign.
What do we do here?
That's what I'm saying. Just
There's a person. Let's
Okay.
figure it out. I do max.
press for assistant. Press. Yeah.
Welcome to Eurotunnel. All of our agents are busy with customers at the moment. Please wait and an agent will be with you shortly. Thank you for your patience.
So yeah, we got this ticket and then we tried to go into the tunnel. Yeah. I couldn't understand what he said.
Take all your travel documents. We have to take all of our travel documents in there with that form, and then it will give us a new form, the same form, but they have to, because of COVID, they have to sort of do another step.
So this is not the final.
Yeah, normally without COVID, that's enough, but now because of COVID, we have to do that and then get another one inside.
Okay, so let's go inside.
Driving through the city and crying out of pity all the way home.
여기 코비드 다큐먼트 체크 포인트로 가야 합니다. What are you doing?
Like a COVID documents checkpoint
Yeah.
at the tunnel.
So here is a negative result paper.
Yes.
여기 오 패스포트, 그다음에 차가 높은 건 이쪽 이제 버스 쪽으로 오시면 되고, 차 뒤에 트레일러가 있는 경우에는 이쪽 편으로 가시면 되겠죠? We have to pass the French custom first, and then way over there is a UK border. So hopefully, finger crossed.
Let's check the weather in London.
또 비가 막 내려주시고요.
Tunnel train now, which just goes under the English Channel. It takes about 35 minutes exactly. It's incredible. So they load us in and then ship us off. It's pretty amazing. This is like an incredible feat of human engineering. It's so cool.
We just arrived in the UK.
We're back.
Yeah, we're back.
I'm excited. Fish and chips.
Woo! Fish and chips. What is new mold? We are in the UK.
The cars are like flying. And I'm like, wait, the speed limit is 40, but I'm thinking in my head kilometers because we've been in Europe. But in UK, it's miles per hour.
Yep.
So 40 miles per hour is 60 kilometers per hour.
My favorite place to be is right here. Not thinking about what brings me down, yeah. My favorite way to be without fear is in the now. Fast like no thanks, no, I'm doing just fine. One foot in another, floating, enjoying my freedom, singing off key. I like it better when I'm under the sun.